Hi, and welcome to our 8th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean. Please feel free to refer to me as my friends do. They call me DJ. I'm from the Accounting Business Solutions by JCS, and I will be your guide here today. Today, we're going to be reviewing just a few items on the toolbar in Excel. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting, and software. So let's begin. The items that we're going to be looking at today in Excel is inserting columns, deleting columns, inserting rows, and deleting rows. So let's take a peek. I've done up an Excel spreadsheet for you just as a sample. I really like Excel. You get to be the designer and set it up exactly the way that you wish. This I just did for you so you can get an idea, okay, of the different things that we can do. I'm sure since this is our 8th podcast that you have seen prior podcasts, so I'm not going to go ahead and explain this whole chart since it has been done previously. What we're going to be looking at today in the home area, if you were to click on this area in the left-hand corner that says home, this area all the way across is called the toolbar. It's also referred to as the ribbon. What we're going to do today is, let's say we're going to insert a row, okay? Let's say we're going to do it at the top right here. Okay, let's give us some more room to work. Okay, so you click on Home. You go over to the cell area where you see the word Insert. If you click on or just point at the word, it'll give you a definition. If you click on the arrow, you'll get a drop-down menu. Now, what we're going to show you right now is how to insert a row. So you would go down to Insert Sheet Row. When you click on it, you will see the chart will go down, meaning it's inserted a row for you. See how that's done? Now, let's say that you want to delete that row, okay? Again, you click on your down arrow, and you go to Delete Sheet Row. See? It's gone. Now, let's say you want to insert a column, okay? You would click where you want your column inserted. You would go to Home in the upper left-hand corner, and then you would click on Insert, and you would see Insert Sheet Columns, okay? And you just click on that and see how it put a new column in between column E and G, okay? Now let's say you want to remove that. You would say Delete Sheet Column. Oops. Now, I did that on purpose. Reason being, we just deleted the wrong column. It's okay. Everything in Excel can be changed, okay? You would go up to your top row here, which is called the Quick Access toolbar, okay? The second icon here is the Undo Delete. So let's go ahead and click on that, and you will see your column come back. There you go. Now, what we want to do is click on column F. Now, I've said in prior podcasts, and I'll reiterate it again, always do Control-Save in case of a power surge, electrical storm, somebody unplugs something by accident. When you do a Control-S, as in Sam, okay, it saves all of your work periodically whenever you do that. The thing is, if there's a power surge and you haven't done Control-Save during your document, you will lose all of your document. Okay, so you want to make sure you do that. Okay, so let's click on the column that we want to delete. Make sure Home, yes, it's there, and you go to Delete, and you say Delete Sheet Columns. Done. See how that worked? Let's do a Control-Save since this is the sample Excel spreadsheet. Oh, why don't I say that 10 times without coffee? Oh, hello. There are many features that the Excel program has to offer that will produce extremely professional documents. We have reviewed only a few features today, and please note that you can review any one of them at any time whenever you wish. Again, to reiterate, we went into inserting columns, deleting columns, inserting rows, and deleting rows. Okay, so our clients are our number one concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these podcasts and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you for taking the time to invest in your future and learn more about Excel. We would be happy to provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and for future growth of your company to assist you further. This is DJ signing off. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for your time and consideration for joining our podcast video. Please feel free to check in to see the next podcast video by Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.